there's a lot going on right now that you can't see. Well, you might be able to tell a little bit, but let me show you what I mean. By the way, lav mic instead of the on-camera mic. That's also for a reason. Hold on a second. Okay, so let me navigate out of this mess right here. Hold on a second. Whoa, are you noticing something? Yeah, so you might notice that the studio is kind of turned around right now. Well, let me show you this. So here's what is going on. Basically, that room right here without the walls is the furnace room. The furnace room has some sound dampening panels which had to be cut out because the AC was flooding the room. The studio, my office, basically everything on the floor was destroyed. Fortunately, I don't keep much on the floor, especially near the furnace, and fortunately anything that was on the floor close to it was in one of those big Rubbermaid plastic tubs, so they're safe. But the floor was destroyed. Carpet has to be replaced. The padding had to be cut out by the remediation company, and walls have to be redone. So I'm without a studio for the time being. I am using the lav mic because the AC is loud, so if I use the on-camera mic, you'll hear the AC a lot more than what you probably hear right now. And any videos that I record in the near future have to be done, well, not here, because there's going to be a lot going on. I have to take everything out of here, and there's a lot to move. So I have to take everything out of here so that the carpets can be replaced, and the walls can be done, and nothing gets destroyed. So I'm going to be doing a whole bunch of videos, hopefully outdoors, on location, doing a bunch of different things like that, utilizing the lav mic more than anything else, probably. And I've got a lot planned. Again, I always take August off from creating videos on YouTube. I always take August off. So in August, either way, there'll probably be no videos. So, and I'm already queued up through the month of June, so hopefully I can get a bunch of video content for you in July, and you're probably seeing this in July anyway, so we'll see what happens there. The other dilemma is that when I edit videos, I utilize external hard drives, Thunderbolt hard drives, because my laptop doesn't have enough internal space to do my Final Cut Pro work internally. So this is my desk with all my hard drives sort of just sitting on top, and it's wrapped because they had to dehumidify and dry out this room. And all the hard drives are in there, which I can take this off now that it's done, but I have to figure out where I'm going to set things up for me to edit videos, so that's a problem. But I'll figure it out if I can get to these next videos. We'll see. If there's no videos after this one, that means that I couldn't mentally do that when worrying about this. So we'll see. If you don't see any videos in July, that means there's not going to be videos in August, and you'll see a whole bunch of new videos come September. So there's that to look forward to. But otherwise, I will have a new video for you coming up soon.